Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. So, reading. Okay, ngayong August, ano ba ang dala ng August sa'yo, Capricorn? Okay, so tingnan natin. Pero syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po dito sa ating mga items, sakay sa ating mga charms. Yes. So, isa-isahin muli natin. Again and again and again. Parang tender, juicy hot dog. Alam niyo yun, commercial na yun. Again and again and again and again. Oo. Yung kay Patrick Garcia. Alam niyo yun? Hindi ko alam kung alam niyo. Pero, yeah, ito yung ating mga evil eye protection. Okay, evil eye protection. So, 4 po. No? Kung yung inyo ay wala dito at sinabi nyong sa akin kayo nag-purchase, then that's not from me. Okay, that's not from me. Sa scammer po. Okay, ng Fias Tarot. Merong scammer eh. Oo. Okay, may gumagaya po kasi ng ating page. Anyway, enough with that. So, ito yung ating mga evil eye protection. So, okay, so dalawa yung ating sample ng bracelet. Isa itong garterize. Okay, ganito yung garterize natin. Ganyan yung kanyang pendant. Okay, ito naman yung ating naka-customize. Okay, kasi pwede siyang ipagawang red string kasi available to sa black at red. Okay, and napapalagyan po ito ng ang tawag dito ng initial. Okay, ito lang ang hindi po pwedeng ipagalaw ha. Itong 5 ito. Itong 5 na evil eye. Okay na nandito. So, kung ayaw nyong palagyan po ng initial, pwede nyo rin naman ipasabi. Okay? Kung gusto nyo lang ay ganyan lang. Okay? So, yung atin namang evil eye ring and evil eye necklace, pareho po ito. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Itong ating ring is adjustable, so nothing to worry pagdating po sa sizes. Ito namang ating ang tawag dito, necklace is nasa 16 to 18 inches po. No, yung haba ng chain kasama na yung extenders. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo dito sa big 3. Dito sa tatlo nating bida. Lahat naman is bida, pero ito yung main. Main cast. Diba? Unahin natin yung ating 2-in-1 love and money. Okay? So, with citrine stones. Okay po, legit citrine. Okay? So, ano bang meron kapag meron kang citrine stone? O na nakadikit sa iyong katawan. So, may dala yung wealth, prosperity, abundance. Kasi si citrine stone ay money magnet. Okay po, money magnet ang ating citrine. So, madalas, yes, ginagamit yan ng mga nagbi-business. Okay? So, pwede sa lalaki, lagay mo lang sa red pouch. Charm kasi to. Okay po, pinagawa ko lang talaga na ganito para naisusuot. Pero, kung gusto mo naman, at ikaw ay lalaki, pwede mo namang ilagay sa red pouch. Wala namang problem doon. Okay? So, yung ating second sa cast. Diba? Second. Yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter po is what? Taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? Ganyan siya. So, wala kayong makikitang ganito na design kasi ako po yung nag-design. Okay? Ako yung nag-design. Yes. Customized. Yes. Pinapagawa ko to. No? Like, kaya sabi ko, ito lang yung made to order. Okay? Made to order kasi sarili ko po itong design. Pinapagawa ko talaga. No? So, again, ang tawag dito, So, nag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest and nagbibigay ng at least 2 surprises per week. Aside pa po ha sa mga minamanifest ninyo. Okay? So this is non-tarnished, hypoallergenic. Yes. Okay, and again, made to order. Unisex po ha yung ating grantor. Napakasimple lang nito. Oo, hindi natin kailangan pabonggahin yung ating mga charms, no? Hindi natin kailangan ng ganon. Kailangan natin is yung anong kayang ibigay sa'yo. Okay? And syempre, yung ating pang-cord cut, pangtanggal po ng MALAS or alat. Pwede sa sarili, pwede sa bahay, pwede sa business. Okay? So, kung ito ay ipapurchase mo para sa sarili mo, parang sa sarili mo lang po yun. Kung ito ay ipapurchase mo para sa bahay, so, pang bahay lang po siya. Okay? Kung sa business lang din. Okay? Hindi yung nakasabit sa front door mo, isusuot mo. Hindi po pwede. Okay? No. So, yun po ha. Kinlaro ko na. And sa mga interested sa ating cleansing kit, ang laman po noon ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, lifetime use pagdating kay selenite crystal. So, ilalagay mo or itatabi mo sa iyong mga charms para ma-recharge. Lalo na kung nakapagbigay sa'yo or nakapag-grant sa'yo yung charm mo or nahawakan ng iba or napansin ng iba. Right timing yon para i-cleanse mo sila. Okay? At kung feeling mo parang nalulubat na ganun po, ha? Sa'yo yan, kaya mararamdaman mo yon. Okay? So, Capricorn. Again, kung may tanong pa po, ha? Message na lang po. Okay? So, again, anong parating sa ating mga Capricorn placements? Ano ang dala ng August sa'yo? Capricorn. Ano ang dala ng August sa'yo, Capricorn? Ano ang dala? The Two of Pentacles. What's with that? Some of you, this is indecision, indecisiveness, delays. Okay, that will cause delays. So what's with this Two of Pentacles? The Eight of Swords in reversed. I'm hearing a release. Okay? And this is good. This is good. So, meron dito ako nakikitang something na parang bara, pero maaalis yung bara. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung saan nyo i-fit yun. Pero ganun ang nakukuha ko. Merong mga maaalis na parang nagsisilbing bara sa'yo ngayong August. Okay? So, ano tong Eight of Swords in reversed? Pwedeng may mga kasagutan na malalaman. Clarity. Okay? Yeah. The High Priestess in reverse. This is answers. Answers. Clarity. Yeah. Okay. So, what else? Iba rito, parang may na-delay pagdating sa travel. May chance ngayong August po makakapag, sabihin natin mariresced or mabibigyan ng visa to travel, some of you. Okay? So, what else? Ano pang dala ng August sa'yo, Capricorn? Dala ng August. Capricorn. Ten of Wands in reverse. So, walang masyadong hassle dito. Some of you, you need to cut off or you need to surrender something this August. So, ano tong Ten of Wands in the reversed? For Capricorn placements. Okay. Kaluwagan po, no? Kaluwagan pagdating sa pamemera ngayong August. Kaluwagan. Okay? Hindi nyo kakailanganin tumrabaho ng sobra-sobra kasi nandyan yung pera pa rin. Okay? Hindi ko sinabing wala kayong gawin. Pero yung energies, nandun. Okay? Lalo na kung marunong kayo sa ganun. Okay? Kung marunong kayo sa pamemera. Yeah. Okay? Some of you sabihin nating merong mga idadrop. Could be a connection. Could be a connection. Okay? Some of you, sinasabi rito na you have to watch your spending. Watch your spending. Yung mga hindi naman masyado kinakailangan. Well, pera nyo naman, di ba? Sabi nga natin palagi dito, pera nyo naman yun. Kayo bahala. Pero sinasabi lang yan. Mensahe lang, gabay. No? Ang gabay naman ay nasa sayo kung iyong kukunin or wala lang. Di ba? Free will na sinasabi. What else? Ang ganda nito, ha? Ilak natin to. Oo, wag natin hayaan. Ilak natin ito sa pamagitan ng ating 2-in-1 Love and Money. Okay, at syempre, yung ating cord cut. Okay. Kung meron man na mga mananalbahe dito sa connection, dito sa energy na to, well, wala na kayong magagawa. Block na kayo, no? Okay, so there. So what else? For our Capricorn. So money, prosperity, abundance is coming. Nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ng August. So may chance na pwedeng pahapyaw, no? Parang simula ng September hanggang simula ng September. Makukuha mo tong energy na to, Capricorn. Okay? So what else? For Capricorn. Wow, stability is coming in. Some of you may mga maha-hired. Iba dito may mapopromote po ngayong August. Okay? So, the 4 of Wands, some of you, your status is going up in general. Iba pwedeng may meron ng makakarelasyon bago mag-end ang August. So, papasok na sa isang relasyon. No? Sa ayaw mo at sa hindi. Ano daw? Sa ayaw mo at sa gusto. ayaw kasi talaga. Opo, ayaw po namin talaga. Yun ang naririnig ko. Kaya siguro ganun yung akin nabanggit. Anyway, so wala tayong magagawa, meron papasok. Okay. Sumilip yung favorite mo. Sumilip siya. Ano to? 10 of Pentacles, the money and the commitments, the long-term relationship for you. Ang ganda nito. Kunin natin to, nagpakita siya. So, talagang hindi nagpaawat, no? Yung favorite mo. Anong favorite mo, Capricorn? 10 of Pentacles. Claim it. More customers. Kung ikaw itong business owner. Okay, more customers, more sales, profits, income, abundance, I told you. Lalo na yung may mga charms dyan. Okay? So, yeah. That's nice. That's nice. So, what else? Let's see. Diba sa inyo, yung may mga hinihintay na kung ano man, like legal, about legalizations, and I am seeing some of you, pwedeng makukuha mo yun. Okay? Justice will be served, some of you. And the 7 of Pentacles, ito yung energy na something na parang investing. Some of you will invest, no? So, in general. Let's see. So, tingnan natin anong meron pa dito. Sa 4 of Wands and the 10 of Pentacles. Some of you, I'm hearing weddings. Okay, occasions, birthdays, celebration in general. King of Cups. Talaga ba? Mas okay po sa amin yung yung pera, business, stability. Pero meron ditong gustong pumasok. Are you available, Capricorn? Are you? Meron gustong pumasok dito. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, the King of Cups in the reversed. Hindi mo pa to sabihin natin nakaka-connect, like totally connect, parang ganyan. Pero there's somebody na may energy na nasa paligid mo lang. Okay? Wanting the Four of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles with you. Are you ready? Handa ka na ba? Game ka na ba? O, yun, no? So, wala tayong magagawa dyan, ha? Sa mga ayaw, wala tayong magagawa. Sa mga may gusto, then yes, mayroong papasok. A new connection. Okay? So, yeah, see, the Lovers in reverse, and Two of Cups in reverse, nasa energy nyo. Ha? Itong taong ito, they want a connection with you. Okay? So, iba sa inyo. Okay. Pagdating, ito ating i-close din. Maganda rin to. Syempre, 'di ba? So, close muna natin 'yan bago natin isarado tong mga to. Okay. So, Four of Wands, Ten of Pentacles. So, again, stability, abundance. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung ano man yung parang sa tingin ninyo na hindi uunlad pagdating sa sarili nyo, or kung ano man, like, ginugusto nyong gawin sa pamemera, meron kayong kailangang itry. Okay? Something like that. Kailangan yung itry. Kasi ang nakukuha ko dito, baka hindi kasi ganto, ganyan, ganyan. Okay? Ang nakukuha ko sa inyo. Yeah, say the devil. This is you, the King of Pentacles in reverse. I think you're just sabotaging your own plans, maybe yourself. Okay, enough with the negativities. This is you. Okay, ikaw yung may control sa sarili mo. Ikaw yung may control sa buhay mo syempre. No? Walang pwedeng makakontrol sa'yo. Tandaan mo yon. Okay, some of you, hindi mo kailangan, hindi mo kailangan maging open or maging, sabihin nating, lagi na lang sa iba. Okay? Yung mga hindi nanonood dyan, hindi nyo nakita yung ginawa ko. Ulitin nyo. Oo. Na, hindi mo palaging pwedeng gawin yung hindi mo pwedeng palaging gawin yung ganon. Maybe this August, kailangan mong i-cut off yung ganon or i-limit mo. Okay? You have to. Kasi kailangan talaga. Yes, may pera. Pero, syempre, 'di ba? Paminsan-minsan, unahin mo din yung sarili mo, Capricorn. Okay. Hindi naman masirap or hindi naman masamang paminsan-minsan ay humindi. Okay, so the person on your mind, let's see. Yung person mo nag-uumiyak ngayon. They're thinking of you right now. They are thinking of you. Okay. Excuse me. The person on your mind, Capricorn. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Let us see. Capricorn. The person on your mind, who is this? The Emperor in reverse. It could be an Aries. Okay. So, ego and pride. Ma-ego at ma-pride ng taong to. Naku po. Okay. Pwedeng may bisyo, some of them. Pwedeng hindi ready kung ano man ang mga commitments nito sa iyo or responsibilities. Okay. Yeah, gusto mo siya, ganto, ganyan, pero nandun yung parang hindi maganda na pag-uugali ng taong to. What's with this Emperor in reverse? Yeah. The Five of Swords. Ito yung taong parang lagi na lang sarili nila. yung dapat nasusunod at napapakinggan. Nasusunod at napapakinggan. Kahit paminsan-minsan ay mali na, hindi ito magpapatalo. They're giving you a lot of mixed signals, confusion, stress. Yeah, some of them, they already gave you a trauma. Parang ganun. No, parang they gave you trauma, parang kung ano man ang trauma na naranasan mo ngayon. Yeah. Some of you, this could be a father or mother ng inyong mga anak or anak. What's the situation right now? Okay, the Queen of Wands. Is there somebody else? Is there somebody else? What's with that Queen of Wands? The Seven of Wands reversed. Okay. Somebody's entertaining other people here. Somebody's entertaining other people. Okay, this person, I guess. Maybe them. Okay, I don't know. Pwede kasi situation ito eh. Merong nag-entertain ng ibang energy rito. May paglayo. Emotion, could be emotion or physically, mentally distant. Okay, yeah. The Eight of Swords. A lot of confusion, a lot of stress. That is why somebody is, sabihin nating, open, no? Yung sarili sa iba na energy. Maybe this person, hindi siya available, like 100% available. They have issues. That is why, pwedeng sa sitwasyon, yun nga, nagkakaroon na ng parang pag-entertain ng iba. Okay, let's see what is their emotion for you. Yeah, the Tower in reversed. And the Hanged Man in reversed. Ang dami ng major arcana dito. Ooh, the Wheel of Fortune. So, I think some of you, this could be something, a connection na pwedeng magbibigay ng lesson. No? Could be a karmic ties, karmic situation. Yeah, the Devil. This is you. It's like, it's up to you kung paano makikita yung lesson dito. Anyway. So, their emotion, the Tower and the Hanged Man in reversed, sabihin natin, andun yung kaluwagan, no? Pero hindi kalalayuan ng tao. See? Yeah, they're there. Pero, energetically, they're distant. Emotionally, they're distant. What is your next action for you, Capricorn? I'm sorry, wala na yung boses ko, kaya na pa ako nagsasalita. So, the King of Cups in the reversed. So, emotionally, there's emotional blockages here. They're not available. What's with that King of Cups in reverse? Why? What's the reason? Yeah, the Page of Wands in reverse. So, I think, okay, talagang nakakuha ng ibang, ang tawag dyan, attention itong person mo eh. They're giving attention to other connections, to other people. That is why. Okay? So, para kasing they know their value. Okay? They know their value. Their worth. Pero parang hindi niya nakikita yun sa'yo. Hindi niya nakukuha sa'yo. So, maybe sa ibang tao niya yun nakukuha. So, may chance na parang hindi sila magiging available sa emotionally because being emotionally invested, pwedeng sa iba nila gagawin, hindi sa'yo. Yeah. Sabihin natin, naging invested sa'yo ito emotionally, pero the conflicts, yun ang nagsisilbing parang naging rason kung bakit sila dumistansya. Or ayoko nang ginaganto ako. Ayoko nang parang ako ay nire-reject sa isang connection. No, hindi ko deserve to. Parang ganun yung naririnig ko sa person mo, Capricorn. Let's see. What's the potential outcome? What's the potential outcome here? Yeah, the trauma. Still the trauma. Still the issue. Andyan. The Six of Cups in reversed. And the King of Swords in reversed. So, still there's this energy of lies, deception, could be a third-party involvement. Okay, and fakes. Yeah, see, the Strength in reversed. Kasi parang, yeah, hindi talaga nabibuild, no? Yung mga kailangang mabuild dito sa connection na to. Para itong pader na durog-durog. Nandoon, pero parang wasak-wasak. Parang ganyan. No? So, hindi matibay ang pundasyon nitong connection na nakikita natin dito. Kasi, sa tingin ko, may pagkukulang yung isa. Pero, hindi rin naman siguro sapat na dahilan, no? Oo. Kung ginagawa nga nung isa yung pag-i-entertain. Well, masakit sa ulo. Ang hirap, oo. Hindi ko alam kung paano this. So, tinignan lang natin kung anong meron at kung anong magiging outcome, anong potential outcome ngayon. Pero yeah, nakikita natin parang patuloy pa rin to. We have here the Sun and the Hermit. So, it's like, okay, parang there's something, mask, may facade. Like, meron lang ang pinapakita, yes, we're happy, pero behind that, behind those smiles, sabihin natin, we're not really happy. We're broken. Parang ganon. Yeah, we're still together. Pero we're not happy. Parang ganon yung nakikita ko sa connection na to. Somebody's option is open. Could be them. Could be you. Anyway. So, yeah. Para kasi meron din ditong gustong kumawala. Kasi parang, okay, I don't deserve this. Anyway, so, let's go sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Don't forget rin na i-follow yung ating second YouTube channel, okay? Yung ating love letter nasa description box below. Pwede kayo mag-send doon ng inyong mga love messages sa inyong mga, kung sino man na gustong padalhan at doon natin i-ere, okay? Anonymously or kung gusto nyo, sasabihin natin yung inyong mga pangalan, okay? So, Aries, they want good cooperation. Taurus, parang merong nasayang with the Taurus. Gemini, they want to hear from you, actually. Cancer, they want to talk. I'm hearing a message coming from a Cancerian. Pero this is just like short term. Okay. So Leo, they want to go back. They want to return. Some of them, they're still holding on to this. Virgo, they want commitments. They want to offer you love, pero maybe they're not ready. Libra, they want something na parang ma-open, parang mawala na doon sa parang shadow. Parang ganun. Okay, parang merong gusto nang ipaalam. Something like that. Ayoko na ng ganito. Nagtatago or what. Okay. So, Scorpio. Let's see. Scorpio. So, pwede may mag-unblock na Scorpio sa'yo and makipag-usap. Ayun lang ng tension. Actually. Sagittarius. They're planning na gumawa ng action towards you. Capricorn, they're invested. There's a lot of expectations from this Capricorn. Some of them, they're still waiting for you. Aquarius, they want to take risk. Maybe they want a new beginning. Okay, they want to explore something like that. They want to experience something new, maybe. Okay, so Pisces, they're afraid. Some of them, they're afraid, they're mad. Okay, they're being impatient. Some of them, they want something. Yeah, they want something. There's something like parang lagi na lang yung iniisip to, gawin ko na to, ganto, ganyan, kausapin ko na, ganto. Pero I don't know kung ready ba siya, kasi parang nakikita ko dito is nandun yung takot, or sabihin natin hindi sila preparado. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung atin pong again, second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.